I asked OpenAI ChatGPT for investing tips and here are the answers. 1. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across a variety of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk. 2. Invest in companies with strong fundamentals. Look for companies that have a solid track record of revenue and earnings growth, as well as a strong balance sheet. 3. Stay the course. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 4. Keep an eye on interest rates. Rising interest rates can impact bond prices, so be aware of changes in the rate environment and adjust your portfolio accordingly. 5. Consider alternative investments. Invest in assets such as commodities, private equity, or hedge funds to add diversification to your portfolio. 6. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. Make sure your portfolio remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. 7. Invest in index funds. Low-cost index funds can provide broad market exposure and can be a cost-effective way to diversify your portfolio. 8. Consider the impact of taxes. Tax-efficient investing can help you keep more of your returns and should be considered when making investment decisions. 9. Invest in companies that focus on sustainability. Companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors may have long-term growth potential. 10. Do your own research. It's important to understand the underlying fundamentals of the investments you make, rather than relying solely on market rumors or tips.